Hello friend, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Instagram password step by step without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you can easily reset your Instagram password. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post content like this you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to reset your Instagram password. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you look for settings on your phone. Look for settings. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on Google. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on manage your Google account. Then it take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you look for security. Then you have to scroll down and you have to look for password manager right here. Then select Instagram. Then use your password phone to unlock. So this is your Instagram username and password. Next thing you want to do is to click on edit. Once you click on edit, then this is where you can make sure the password you are saving match your password for Instagram. So you can click on here to change the password to whatever password you want to be using again. So you can change your password from this point. Once you are done changing the password, then you have to come to the top right here and click on save. It's as simple as that. Then you Instagram account and use this username and your new reset password to log in. It's as simple as that. So this is how you can reset your Instagram password easy step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.